Xiaomi's products have proven to be reliable, offering a significant amount of functionality for their price. Does the Xiaomi Fire TV stand a chance of being crowned the best budget TV? And can you access Netflix and Apple TV on the Fire TV? Spoiler alert, yes you can. Today we will delve into these questions. First we'll unbox the device and check its design out. Next we'll explore the available apps and menus. Then we'll determine whether this device is a good choice for gaming. Stay tuned and let's get started. Along with the TV, we received the standard set of items: manuals, a removable power plug, screws for the stand, batteries, and a remote control. On the left side, the TV has the port for the power cable. On the right side, all the available ports are located, including HDMI 2.0, 2.1, and HDMI CEC. There are also two USB 2.0 ports, an AV port, CI slot, an Ethernet port, an optical digital audio port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The design of the Xiaomi Fire TV looks quite attractive for its segment. The top and sides are impressively thin, while the bottom is slightly thicker. Two logos are present, the Xiaomi logo in the center and the Fire TV logo in the right corner. Viewing the TV from the side makes it look thick, but after using it for over 6 months, I can't say it somehow makes the device unattractive. Personally, I would prefer a flat stand. However, we only have two options: use TV feet or mount it on the wall. The setup is really easy but takes time due to OS updates. Basically, you just connect to Wi-Fi and follow the instructions on the screen. The user interface and homepage are very similar to what you might find on other TVs. It is clean and understandable, but I would like it to react faster. On the main page you have all your apps, recently watched and recommended shows. There is a huge application library, but you will probably only use a few of them. All popular streaming services such as Netflix, Apple TV or Disney Plus can be used without any restrictions. There is even Apple AirPlay, which works great with iOS and macOS devices. The settings section can feel a bit overwhelming when you start using the TV, but over time you get used to it. Moving on to the remote control, it presents an aesthetically pleasing design in my opinion. The circular area at the top sees the most frequent use, serving as a means to navigate the user interface. A microphone button is present to activate Alexa voice commands, although I must admit I've never actually pressed the button. What I do find quite handy is the app buttons, facilitating quick access to prime apps like Netflix, Disney Plus and the apps menu. The Xiaomi Fire TV isn't an OLED TV, so you shouldn't expect the best picture quality. However, boasting 4K UHD, it delivers an admirable picture even without any fine-tuning, considering its segment. The refresh rate is 60 Hz and the viewing angles are not really good. You won't notice any significant issues, only in case of watching the TV directly in front of it. As for black levels, they might not be as deep as those in OLED TVs, but given its price, the quality is still quite impressive. Not too long ago, I had the opportunity to begin using the Xiaomi Fire TV with a PS5. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a video about it. As someone who's experiencing my first TV and a gaming console combo, I can confidently say that the motion quality is good. The graphics, specifically in certain games like Hogwarts Legacy or Uncharted, enhance the enjoyment of playing on the Fire TV. Additionally, you can utilize the one-touch play feature, which turns on the TV whenever you launch the PS5. Although, I do wish this process were a bit faster. Overall, while I wouldn't label the Xiaomi Fire TV as a gaming beast, it's definitely well suited for relaxing gaming sessions. In my personal opinion, the Xiaomi Fire TV completely justifies its price for 400 euros. It stands out as the ideal choice for those seeking the most value within a budget. Whether you plan to watch movies occasionally or indulge in your favorite games daily, this TV will leave you feeling like you've received the best for the price you paid. That was it for today. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you enjoyed it, please let me know in the comments and hit the subscribe button. Until next time.